In a dimly lit office, a computer began sneezing uncontrollably. Employees whispered about a virus, but not the digital kind. The IT specialist, known for his skepticism, decided to investigate. He discovered a hidden file named Pandora.exe that seemed to trigger the sneezes. As he deleted it, the computer emitted a final, loud sneeze, and a cloud of dust burst forth, revealing a tiny, ancient scroll. The scroll contained a forgotten code rumored to unlock a treasure. The office buzzed with excitement, but the IT specialist knew some mysteries were best left unsolved.